A Mayan community doesn't exist without the village shaman, a gifted man regarded as having access in the world of good and evil spirits. This man being able to enter a trance state during a special ritual and practice divination and healing. One of the most interesting things about visiting Yucatan Peninsula is going to a traditional Mayan house. We noticed that all Mayan family members live in the same home. They sleep in the same place, and the cooking area is usually located outside the home. Traditional Mayan home comprises of a sizable piece of land. Women form an important part of the Mayan family. They are primarily tasked with taking care of the household, looking after the upbringing of the children, and also working on the kitchen and garden. Mayan men are in charge with providing the livelihood for the home and to make sure that the food is provided and other needs of his family are met. Mayan households could be quite a maze. Most Mayan houses have a common living area where the family could meet for meals or for different activities like making hammocks, fishing nets, cutting wood, or making fences. Visiting a Mayan house was a very interesting, unique, and informative experience which allowed us to better understand this type of living.